Hello everyone, and welcome back to Coffee with Kelsey. Now, I know, I've been on quite the hiatus recently, and I do have some more episodes that are going to be released just in a few days, continuing the journey of how I became a professional ballroom dancer, and I'm definitely getting those out to you as soon as possible. So make sure that you are subscribed to the podcast so you know exactly when those drop and you can be the first to listen. And also, I wanted to take a moment and welcome all of the new listeners and everyone who has been with me from the start also, but especially in the past 2 weeks or so. It's shocking what the numbers look like. There are so many people who have joined and subscribed, and it's absolutely incredible. And I'm honestly in a bit of shock, just to be very honest with you. But I just wanted to say hello to everyone and welcome to the podcast. And I can't wait to chat with you over coffee. So with that said, I would really love to make this podcast interactive, and I would love to hear from you. Now, there are two ways that you can submit a topic idea or a question. First would be to do that right underneath this podcast episode. You'll see on Spotify, you'll see a spot where you can leave a comment. I would love to have your comments. I would love to read them and talk to all of you. And the other way would be to submit them through Instagram, and that would be at Coffee with Kelsey on Instagram. So I can't wait to hear from all of you, and I would love to hear your questions. And if you have topic ideas or any questions about dancing, just life in general, honestly, I'm here for the conversations. So I shall talk to you all very, very soon, and I can't wait to chat with you over coffee.